Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the Revolut for my own banking, and when I found out that you could get a free Revolut Junior debit card for kids, I had to try it. So if you are also looking to set one up for your child too, here is exactly how you can do it for free as Revolut Junior. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have an active Revolut account. The junior card is only available if you already have a personal Revolut account. So download the Revolut app and then tap on the login option, and you need to simply verify your identity and you are all done. Next, you need to open your Revolut app, and then you need to go to the junior section. You will also find it in the applications dashboard or under the hub tab. Then you need to tap on the create junior account and enter your child's name, date of birth, and set up their profile. After creating the junior account, you can order the free junior debit card. For that, you need to simply tap on the order card option and choose a card to design and enter your delivery details. Standard shipping is usually free, but you need to double check if any delivery charges apply based on your location. The junior account comes free with Revolut's basic plan, but if you want extra features like chores management or multiple child accounts, upgrading to the Revolut Premium or Metal might be worth it, though it's optional. So once the card arrives, you just have to simply activate it with the help of your application, and it's ready to use for secure, kid-friendly spending both online and in stores. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.